it's really, really hot here today. It finally feels like summer. So we are gonna make some no-bake, no-bake treats this week. And we're gonna start...
Energy balls.
Yep, we're gonna start with energy balls. So this is just oatmeal. I'm gonna turn off a fan.
I meant Layla.
Alright. So we're gonna have, it just takes oatmeal, peanut butter, honey,
and dairy-free chocolate.
Dairy-free chocolate chips is optional, but the kids love it. And flax. We're gonna mix in some flax. Alright, so let's get started.
Okay.
So first you're gonna need 1 cup of oats. And because we're out of school, we're gonna make Lila use her brain. So we have a 1/2 cup here. So how many of those do we need to make 1 cup?
2.
Yep. So two 1/2 cups or 1 cup of oats. Try to keep it even. Yep. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I will say that this is like the perfect ratio. So if anything, go less. But you need 2, right, to make 1 cup?
Here's some math.
Because it could get dry.
Here, pretend this is a hole.
And pour that in?
Each one of these lids represents 1/2. You put them together and it's a hole.
Yep, 2 halves make a hole. All right, and then we need 1/2 cup of peanut butter.
Peanut
Here's a
butter is so
straw.
hard to measure.
Okay, the easiest way to do this, we're just gonna pour. We're using natural peanut butter, so it's really watery or really
But I do
runny.
like that crunchy peanut butter.
Crunchy
But I
one.
do get an opportunity to try it.
Yep. Sometimes we like the crunchy. All right, go ahead and put that in.
Oh, it's slow.
Here, Lila, you want to?
Lick the spoon?
No, I was gonna say help me scrape it. All right.
Can I put the honey in?
Yep. So we're gonna guess. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of honey. You can measure it. I just don't feel like scooping honey out of the measuring spoon. So we're gonna kind of, you squeeze and we'll talk through it. Okay, so that's about 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. That's good. Nope, that's good.
I've got 3.
You don't want to do too much because we're also adding the chocolate chips. So we don't need too much sugar in there. It's already going to be sweet.
I put 3, but maybe 4.
Maybe 4. Yes. So you're going to do about a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And, excuse me guys, we forgot to grab the measuring spoon.
Hey guys, if you enjoy our videos, on the next one, video, we're doing
Popsicles. Yeah, we're going to do popsicles.
You're gonna meet Chef Ratatouille. The Ratatouille ripoff though.
Alright, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of flax. And I can't find our measuring spoons, so there we go. 2 tablespoons of flax. Now mix that up. Oh, actually, did you guys wash your hands?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
No. Okay, I'll mix this right here. You guys go wash your hands because we're going to use our hands next. So you can actually, if you wanted to, you could add cocoa powder instead of the chocolate chips. Because we had honey in it, it'll make the cocoa powder sweet. So it'll be more like a chocolate ball. And then the other thing to know about these is you can eat them right away, but they might be a little hard and crunchy because of the oatmeal. So they taste best if you put them in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight.
But
it's your choice because it's still good this way.
They're
All right.
both ways.
It looks like we didn't
have chocolate chips melted or unmelted.
Yep. Looks like we didn't put all the chocolate chips in there. So I'm going to add more. You kind of just want to have a good mixture. All right. So that's it.
3 more.
Oh. Yeah. All right. So that's it. So you just mix them up. But now,
I'm embarrassed. How could I add 2 little chocolate chips?
Lila loves chocolate chips. All right. We used to love these paleo chocolate chips that were dark chocolate, and it was actually a clean chocolate. But Costco stopped carrying them. So you want to roll that?
That's why I can't just go to one store.
Yes. Roll it into a ball, and I'll get a plate.
Oh, it's sticky.
Okay, so now the other thing, excuse me, babe. If you don't want to touch it, I'll let Colin do this next one. Oh, sorry. So there's a ball, and it will harden as it sits in the fridge. We have this small muffin scoop. It says 1.5 tablespoons. So we can use that too, and that way you don't have to touch it. So do you want to try it?
Here.
That's the gear. So go ahead and scoop some out with the ball.
If you want one, you can go make one. It's very simple.
So you have to kind of press it along the side of the bowl, Colin. So don't okay, so there's a squeegee, like a spatula type thing. Don't squeeze it while you're scooping, or you're gonna press it out.
We should make a list of what supplies you need.
Yes. You can also do this with spoons if you wanted to.
Yep.
Okay. Now
if
put
you
it
don't
on.
have one of these, you could use spoons.
That's right. Now put it on the plate. Excuse me, Lila. And then squeeze it. There you go. So same thing. It's like a little ball.
I want to use my hand.
Okay, he wants to use his hands. All right, so that is all there is to it. And you can play around with this recipe. So just remember the basic thing to know is 1 part peanut butter to 2 parts oats. And then from there you can just add whatever you want to add to it. You can do raisins or different types of dried fruits would be really good. Different types of chocolate, if you can find dark chocolate, would be really good.
They're pretty good not
And if you can't eat oats, or if you can't eat peanut butter, you can use sun butter or any kind of nut or seed butter will work.
Aw.
All right,
I
guys.
was gonna say something, but it was unhealthy.
What is it?
M&Ms.
Oh yeah, don't put M&Ms in there. That is unhealthy. All right, so we will see you again on Thursday. We're gonna make popsicles. So we're gonna need
Chef Ratatouille.
You're gonna need coconut water, and read the coconut water and make sure there's no sugar added to it.
Oh my god.
And then you're gonna need some berries and a popsicle mold.
Oh,
And that's it. What happened?
I put my foot behind me and I stepped on something first. So I looked to my left and looked back and it was Rocky and he ran away.
Oh, she stepped on the dog. All right, now we're gonna put these in the fridge and we're gonna let it sit for an hour or overnight.
It's
All
still
right.
raw?
Hey,
Yep.
guys, it's still good raw.
Still good raw?
So,
Good. Yep. Usually it doesn't make it to the fridge, just the leftovers. They eat a couple before we start. All right, guys, we will see you on Thursday. Have a good couple of days. Bye.
Bye.